Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about last two important problems in 12.2 exercise in application of trigonometry chapter. So these problems are very important that were given in examinations many times. So I will explain about that problems and how to do in easy way. So before going to topic, to get the latest videos of our channel, please subscribe our channel. Let's go into topic. So to solve that problem, first we have to read the problem. First మనం క్వశ్చన్ చదవాలి. సో క్వశ్చన్, ఏ వైర్ ఆఫ్ లెంత్ 18 meters had been tied. So a wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole. So first we have to take a wire. First we have to take an electric pole. So it has been tied at one point. So it has been tied with one point with angle of elevation 30 degrees. And the length of the wire is 18 meters. Length of the wire is 18 meters. So next, as it covering a long distance, so it will be a very long distance. So it was cut and tied at an angle of 60 degrees. So 60 degrees, so it is 90, it is 30. So 60 means it is walking towards the pole. So it is 60 and it will become 90 when it come here. So 60 means we have to come front. So angle of elevation here is 60. So next, with the ground, how much length of the wire was cut? So we have to find this length. So they cut the length of this wire and tied the wire here. So how much of the length of the wire is cut to tie here? So we have to find this length and have to subtract this length from that. So then we will get the answer. So first we have to think as height. Now we want x and we have 18 meters. We don't have adjacent side or opposite side. Then we have to take sine because we get opposite side. Main we have to get height and the main thing is x and 18 meters. So we have to get hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse sine. So in this problem we have to main take sine. So first we have to separate the triangles. So this is first triangle and this is second triangle. Second triangle will be total B, D and C will be in that. So first it will be figure 1, it will be figure 2. First discuss about figure 1. So figure 1 గురించి చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ మనకేం కావాలి, ఎక్స్ కావాలి కాబట్టి హైపోటెన్యూస్ కావాలి. ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ బై హైపోటెన్యూస్ సైన్ తీసుకుంటాం. సైన్ 60 ఈక్వల్ టు ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ హెచ్ బై హైపోటెన్యూస్ ఎక్స్. సైన్ 60 √3/2 ఈక్వల్ టు హెచ్ బై ఎక్స్, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. సో √3x ఈక్వల్ టు 2h. సో మనకి ఎక్స్ కావాలి కానీ హెచ్ కామన్గా తీసుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ హెచ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ హెచ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి హెచ్ కామన్గా తీసుకుందాం. √3x/2 ఈక్వల్ టు హెచ్ ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్గా తీసుకుందాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిగర్ 2 గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఫిగర్ 2. సో ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఉంది, హైపోటెన్యూస్ ఉంది. సో సైన్ తీసుకుందాం. సైన్ 30 ఈక్వల్ టు ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ హెచ్ బై హైపోటెన్యూస్ 18. సైన్ 30 1/2 ఈక్వల్ టు హెచ్ బై 18. సో 2h ఈక్వల్ టు 18, హెచ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 18/2, 9 meters. సో హెచ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9 meters. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని మనం ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఫిగర్ 2 అన్న చేయొచ్చు, ఫిగర్ 1 అనొచ్చు, కానీ ఆర్డర్లో చేయాలని నేను ఇలా చేశాను అనమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ హైట్ కనుక్కునేసాం. ఈ హైట్ దీంతో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ height equal to 9 meters in equation 1. So √3x/2 equal to 9. So √3x equal to, so it is will division form, then it will multiply it on that side. So 9 2s are 18. So మనకు x కావాలి కాబట్టి x ఒకటి ఎటు పంపించుకొని √3 అటు పంపించాలి. సో it is in multiplication form, then it will become divide. So while doing this, first we have to divide 18/3. So when we divide 18/3 we will get 6 and we have to mention this root 6 √3. So x equal to 6 √3. So So root 3 equal to 1.732 into 6. So 10.392 meters. So the height x equal to 10.392 meters. It is the height of this hypotenuse, that is length of the thread untied on this point. This is the height of this length. So we have to find how much length was cut. So it is 18, it was 10. So how much length was cut? So first we have to subtract 10 from 18. So first we will get 8 and 0 and 6 and we'll get 7. So 7.608 meters. So the actual length of wire was cut is 7.608 meters. It was asked to find that. So in this method we have to find. So first, based on the information, we have to first draw a triangle and we have to write the information, and then we have to separate the triangles. So first triangle this and second triangle. So by separating and so solving figure 1, figure 2. So like that we have to solve all the problems given in this chapter mainly. Next we have to see second problem. So second question, angle of elevation of a top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So here mainly we discuss about building and tower. So first building will be this height and tower will be this height. So the angle of elevation of top of the building. So this is top of the building. So angle of elevation of this building from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. So we will mention as A, B, C, D and E. So they ask you to find if the tower is 30 meters height. So the tower is 30 meters height, find the height of the building. So they ask you to find this. First we will separate these triangles. So this side triangle with angle of elevation 30 degrees, A, B, C, height, and second triangle we will take with angle of elevation 60 degrees, and this will be 30 meters height, and this triangle DCB. So it will be figure 1, it will be figure 2. So first we have to get height. So first we will solve this, because opposite side there we get adjacent side. So adjacent side will be there, then we will get easily height. So first we will solve figure 2. So here triangle, opposite side there, we don't want hypotenuse, we want adjacent side, because when we get adjacent side we will get height easily. So first figure 2 we have to take tan 60 equal to opposite side DC 30 by adjacent side BC. Next tan 60 means root 3 30 by BC, cross multiplication. Root 3 BC equal to 30, BC equal to 30 by root 3. So first like this, when root 3 comes we have to divide first 30 by 3. So 30 will divide by 3, will get 10, and root 3 10 root 3. So BC equal to 10 root 3 meters. We have to take root 3 as 1.732 into 10. So while multiplying we will get 1 point here. So we get 17.32 meters. So this is the height, length of the base 17.32. Now we have to find height. So we'll mention as 10 root 3. It will be easy to solve. So we'll get opposite side we have adjacent side. So tan 30. Opposite side h by adjacent side 10 root 3. So tan 30 1 by root 3 equal to h by 10 root 3. So cross multiplication, root 3 h equal to 10 root 3, h equal to 10 root 3 by root 3. So root 3 will be cancelled and h equal to 10 meters. So they ask to find height of the building, we find that. So like this we have to solve the problems of trigonometry, application of trigonometry chapter. So this is the last video of that. So I have told in previous videos about important problems in application of trigonometry chapter. Tomorrow I will start new chapter. So thanks for watching. to get the latest videos of our channel. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.